Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to turn on sensitive content on Twitter. For this, I will open the Twitter app which is now updated and the name of Twitter is now X. So I will open the app and here I need to go to my profile. This is a small button on upper left corner. Then the last option you can see I have settings and support. Just click on it and scroll down and settings and privacy. And here you need to go to privacy and safety. And here the third option you can see content you see. Click on it. And here you can see the button here, display media that contain sensitive content. Just click on this button. And then one more settings you need to change is go to your search settings and here hide sensitive content. Make sure this toggle button is off. So after that, go back and save these settings. And you will be able to see the sensitive content on Twitter. That's it from today's video, guys. If you're new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.